Okay, so I'm going straight into the sandwich pour. Mixed up some more white here. Less watery this time. Still quite fluid, but this is for this white I used the cheapest white paint I can get. This is white acrylic and it's 100 yen for 80 millilitres. So that's not bad. I haven't had any problems with it yet, so that's great to find that. And let me explain what a sandwich pour is. In a sandwich pour, you'll pour your base colour. You've got a wet base, you've got a base colour, layer of base colour, layer of colour, and then another layer of base colour. So your colour's sandwiched between two layers of your base colour in your cup, and then you can do a flip cup. I've never seen anyone try and do a ring pour with it. I don't really think there's much point in doing that, but I guess you could try it if you want to. I'm just going to do a flip cup because I've had 2 or 3 rubbishy results recently, and I'd quite like something that doesn't look horrible to come out of this. So I'm going to spread this white around and make up some colours and make a flip cup. I'm just going to show you my colours. I've got some neon yellow. This is Amsterdam acrylic gouache in reflex yellow. I have this neon pink. This is Aquila water-based alkyd resin colours by Kusaka. This cup is a mixture of about a 2 parts pink to 1 part purple mixture, and this is Prism Violet Liquitex Basics and Fluorescent Pink from Sostrena Grena. They're both acrylics, and this is a paint that I've never used before. This is a Neo Colour Bright in orange. Now I don't think that this is acrylic, but I don't know what it is. It is by Turner brand that I use quite a lot, but it just says, I think that says orange and then 100 ml. So who knows what this is? I think it is some kind of poster paint now. It feels like it's got a bit of more chalky texture than an acrylic, so maybe more like an acryl gouache or like a poster paint. So it's a little bit more like these Neo Colour poster paints that I use sometimes. Now, as long as you put enough pouring medium in these, they don't tend to crack, in my experience. So I'm going to put a lot of pouring medium in this one, and I might put a bit of Liquitex in there, or GOC. I think I'm going to put a bit of GOC 800 in because I've got 1 bottle of each of those. So these I'm going to mix up with my normal pouring medium. So I'll show you how much I put in here. So that's about a 1-to-1 paint to pouring medium. Right, so there's some pouring medium in there. Put a decent sized glug of GOC 800 in there to try and make sure that it doesn't crack or crack. Right, this looks like a good pouring consistency now. It's smooth as well. So, sandwich pot anyway. I'm put some of my background colour down just to make sure it can move around. Then a decent layer of white in there, more than I would normally do. And then let's go dark to light. So magenta, pink, orange. Try and get that to sink a bit, see if I'll get some effect, get some cells, and yellow. Then my top layer is going to be all white. Well, that's not perfect. should have less mixing than that there, but I think you get the idea. There should be a layer of white, layer of colour, layer of white. So without further ado, before this gets any more churned up, quite big cells here, but I've got so many small bubbles that I think I'm going to lose my big cells when all of these tiny little bubbles pop. That's a bit of a shame, because I don't often get nice cells like this or lacing like this or whatever. That's obviously the silicone. I don't really want to torch more than that if I can avoid it, because they're all magenta, that's fine. But look, see, I've lost those lovely big ones, and I'm no good at stretching, generally. Right, I like this top edge more than this. I think I'm going to try and pour off here, it's the plan anyway, try and pour excess paint off this side and retain more of this if possible. So I'm going to try and tidy it up and make sure that I've got nice smooth edges before I start stretching, so that it doesn't catch on anything. Right, I can see this is catching here. So I'm going to stop that before it gets worse. It's just going to distort everything. Okay, tomorrow's pour is to pour over a 3D object. So it's quite simple. You just put whatever it is that you'd like to pour over in the middle of your canvas, and you can pour over it like that in the way that we did with the bottle pour. Or alternately, you can have the object as your canvas and pour over a vase or whatever you might like. Use your imagination and see what you can come up with. What's going to look interesting to you. Thank you so much for watching and for all of your kind comments, for hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. If you'd like to follow me on social media, my Instagram is Tokyo Makes. Please take a moment to check out my other YouTube videos. Today's Paint It Forward 2019 goes to Art Unique on YouTube. She's got lots of acrylic pouring videos. She's tried new things like using floral tubes. She's got videos about how to do the cloud effect, her take on a dustpan pour, and also she most recently uploaded something about alcohol ink coasters. So check out her channel. Let's help her get a few more subscribers, and let's lift each other up as a community. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you tomorrow.